Hi there, students. Pagan, a noun, and pagan, an adjective. So a pagan is a person. Yeah, it's a person who believes or does things that do not belong to any of the world's major religions. Yeah, so if you belong to a minority religion, that makes you a pagan. I think the word pagan also has the idea of old religions from the deep past. So I guess you could say that our ancestors who lived in caves were pagans. Another definition of a pagan is somebody who believes in a religion that has many different gods, a polytheistic religion. Yeah, I don't know. I think pagan and paganism. Yeah, if they're calling somebody a pagan, they're saying they don't belong to the status quo. Yes, at the summer solstice, neo-pagans like to go to Stonehenge and practice neo-pagan rituals. Okay, let's see. Originally, this word pagan or paganus was used by early Christians in the Roman Empire. Yeah, and this was to distinguish if you were one of the new Christians or you were one of these old-fashioned Romans who believed in many gods and took part in ritual sacrifice of animals and things like that. Let's see, the origin of this word pagan comes from Latin, from paganus, meaning rural, rustic, somebody who lives in the countryside. So paganism, it has the idea of the religion of the peasants who live in the countryside. Yeah, so unsophisticated religions. Well, everybody says my religion is better than everyone else's. Yeah, my God is the only God that's right. How can they all be right? I don't understand that one. Okay, so a pagan, yeah, belonging to a religion that existed before the main world religions existed. Yeah, I think the Celts were pagans. Yeah, but what I find very funny is many of our ceremonies and public holidays have pagan origins. For example, the date of Easter. I can never work out the correct date of Easter. Yeah, it's supposed to be a certain number of days after the full moon in a certain month. If that doesn't have pagan origins, well, I'd be very surprised. Yeah? Or, for example, Father Christmas. This has pagan origins. Yeah? So, well, you could have a pagan wedding ceremony as opposed to going to a church. Yeah? For example, if you worship the gods of nature, that would be considered pagan. Yeah? You go to a pagan festival. Yeah? Pagan beliefs. So, yeah, older religions, heathens, yeah, polytheists, people who believe in many gods. Notice you can also call somebody a pagan, saying that they are unsophisticated, that they're savage, that they're uncivilized and wild and immoral. So, let's see. He took a 20-year-old Scotch whiskey and poured lemonade into it. He's a total pagan. Yeah, he's a savage. Yeah, a barbarian. He's uncivilized. Yeah. So yeah, All the people in the drunk people in the high street on a Saturday night, they seem like a load of pagans to me. Okay, so as I said, origins, paganus, meaning rural or rustic. Yeah, and yeah, a pagan religion. 5, informality. If you call somebody a pagan, that's probably a little bit less formal. 3.5, informality. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pagan.